Hey folks, this is your self-defense essay, Burrito Bob, Bushido Bob, and I'm here with a quick tip where if you're outside in the wilderness and you need to get away and you're hiking and you see a big ass bear or mountain lion, here's a tip for you. I call this one the old you're on your own. So let's say you're walking with your kids and you're walking around and you see a bear or mountain lion. Here's what you do. You take one of them and you push him to the side and you're on your own.